my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super simple, easy makeup look with this beautiful clear glitter glosses. If you guys want to see how quick I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually getting ready to get out the house and do a little shopping today. First, we're going to start off with some BlizzTech. Y'all already know BlizzTechs. And I'm going shopping just to get a few things. And just to go shopping, sis. I mean, who doesn't like going to shop? But I gotta look cute, but I don't even know how this is gonna go, y'all, because it is hot outside. I'm wearing makeup, and then I believe that I also have to wear a mask on top of that. So, not a good combination, but we're gonna go with it because I like to be cute. And I'll probably just carry like some touch-up makeup or something, just so I can make sure I'm good. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the face. For primer, I'm using this Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. And this primer really just helps to keep my skin super matte. And it also fills in those pores that I have in this area. And then we'll put a little on my little forehead. You don't see much of my forehead, so. And then next for foundation, I am going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. This foundation keeps my skin super flawless and super matte throughout the day. Ooh, I better be careful because I already have on my clothes. Please don't let me waste this because y'all, I'm rushing. But I just wanted to film this for you guys. So I think that that's enough. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend her out. Fenty always has me looking like an Oompa Loompa at first, but I promise y'all it gets better. I promise you. So for concealer, I'm going to take a little bit of this ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And now that that's blended out, I'm just going back in with that foundation brush and just blending out any harsh edges or anything that I have going on. And then now for setting powder, I'm going to use this Laura Mercier powder. And I'm just going to use a little bit because I only used a little bit of concealer. So then I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face using my Soft Focus powder. You guys, I finally opened a new one. Y'all see my new baby? Like, I still got the old one, sis, because she ain't all the way used up. But because I'm traveling, like, I want to have, you know, not broken makeup getting wasted all over the place. I literally wore my makeup like this the other day. Like, I did no bronzer, no blush, just some lashes and clear gloss. I'm trying to see if I do want to add a little bit of bronzer. I feel like this is a very natural makeup look. We'll see. Let's go ahead and apply the lashes. now that lashes are on, I'm just going to take a little bit of mascara and apply them to the top lashes. And these lashes are the AliExpress A10 lashes. And they are gorgeous. Like, I really need to order me some more. And I'm not going to apply anything to my waterline or any mascara on my bottom because I want this look to be very natural. And then I do have on like a little bit of chapstick. I am going to leave it on. And my lip gloss, you guys, so many people have been asking me about this lip gloss. So many people have went and bought this lip gloss, you guys, because it is bomb.com. This is one of the Essence Shine 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 lip glosses. I did not mention this one in my Essence Shine Shine lip gloss try on because this one came out after that. And this one also is a little bit different. This one has a plumping effect to it. It is this beautiful clear gloss, you guys. It may look white on camera, but it's basically like a clear gloss that has a lot of silver glitter in it. It reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk, but I feel like Diamond Milk just has, the glitter may be a little bit too chunky. Something is just off with it. As far as me being a darker complexion woman, I just feel like it's just, you know, maybe for my lighter girls or my brighter girls, cool, but for me, it's a no-go. Look, sis, I'm just gonna put it on because I got to show y'all. This gloss does have that lip plumping cooling effect, so if you don't like that cooling sensation you would get from like a lip plumping gloss or like a Carmex or a BlizzTech, then you probably won't like this one. But y'all, look at her. Can y'all see that? Because I mean, sis, she's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face a little bit because I feel like I look cute. And I wore my face just like this yesterday, y'all. And it's really cute. I really do like it like this. But I just feel like I just want a little bit more. I'm not trying to do too much. But I may just add a little bit of bronzer. No highlight because I feel like my skin is naturally going to produce oil. So I really don't need any extraness going on my face. Especially not during the daytime. So no highlighter. I think I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of bronzer. So I got my nose contour right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and snatch up my nose a little bit. And y'all, I did do this yesterday. This was the only like contour or other product I added to my face besides the face makeup, because I just really like a nose contour. I don't have a big nose or anything anyway, but I just really love the contoured nose look. And I just always make sure I blend that nose contour into my actual eyes. And then I always just take my sponge and blend out the outsides of my nose where we contour. So I'm trying to see if I want to be like this, sis, or if I want to put a little bronzer on, or if I want to just be like this. I think I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of bronzer just to kind of give me a little something. And the bronzer I'm using is this Nika K Duo Contour. Y'all, beauty supply store. $1.99 is lit, and I pretty much only use this one because it's not like super dark. So this will just add a little bit of warmness to my face. I normally like to use all three together, like the contour or bronzer, the blush and highlighter all together. But ooh, I dipped into the darker one. But I think I'm just gonna do bronzer. So I guess it's kind of cute like this, just with a little bit of bronzer. I'm not going to worry about any of my lash line. I'm not going to worry about my mole, none of that. Like, this is a look that I want. I want something very simple and cute. But I am going to go ahead and spray my face. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this Milani Make It Last setting spray since it's just right in front of me. So you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. give this video a big thumbs up if you like more natural makeup looks. And lately, you guys, I've been into doing more natural makeup looks here and there. So if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Y'all remember to be blessed, follow your dreams, and I will see you guys in my next video.